This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. There we go. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. Give me 1 second here. I'm a little discombobulated on this Monday morning, which is not much different than any other morning, is it? There we go. There we go. Now I think we got it. There we go. See NQ moving down here at the top of the hour. Let's see what it's done overnight. ES dipped and then came up. Looks like our low there 51.55. Looks like our high is 51.74. So about 19 points in range. Looks like NQ's low is 983. Its high looks like 63. That looks right, 63. AC about 80 points of range. Oops. That's the other thing I forgot to do. Pop out the chat. Oh, wait, where's my chat pop? There we go. Hey, Mr. G, good morning to you. Okay, let me do this. There we go. Okay, copper coming up. Horizon. About 200 ticks of range. Gold dipped, held 2,300, and whooshed up. About 32 points in range. Ultra bond. About a point in range. Crude oil at the top of its range, and it's a little over a point. Natural gas having a good day as well. And Bitcoin's had a good weekend, it looks like. Got up to 65, pulled back a little some now. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Ooh, look at that nice little pop. Okay. We are ready to rock and rumble. Hey, Speed Racer, good morning. How was the weekend, gentlemen? Okay, so I'm missing something here. Let me see. Okay, that's what I'm missing. There we go. Okay, that's on the right account. Good. That's on the right account. Okay. We're good to go. Now, we could be a slow, choppy day today. We have no news catalog. Well, let me check, make sure nothing was added. Yeah, no news catalyst today at all. And it's a bank holiday in the UK. So volume's probably going to be down. After that wild and wacky week we had last week. So might be choppy today, low volume or lower volume, all that fun stuff. You can see we're not ranging real far. This would have been a nice bounce, 39 up to 46, I guess. Definitely need to go down to a 5-point model here. Nice little pop. I don't know. I need to get a feel for this market this morning. We'll see. Did I say the high was? We're getting close to the high. High was 63. Coming down. I think I need to get a feel for this market before I take anything here. These are small candles. Hey, Mad Moxie. How you doing today? Whoops. Forgot to turn the desktop audio off. Slow grind up. So far my prediction about it being slow is correct. I'm already bored. It seems like it's trying to grind up, but how can I trust it? I can't trust it. I got trust issues. Yeah, there's the rise. Slowly but surely. There we go. Wow. Something gave the market a little bit of oomph. Oomph, oomph, oomph. And coming down. Got up, got up to 58. Pulls back. Not a lot happening here right now. Ultraviolet opens here in a minute. Doesn't look real spry right now either. Crude pull back there. Give me credit for using the word spry on a Monday morning. Ultraviolet did open with a little all of 2 tick pop. Get excited. Woohoo, let's throw a party. We'll have a party. Yeah, there's that continue trying to pop up to 61 now. Again, overnight high. Well, looks like ES is at its overnight high. NQ is just about there, 63. Did it touch it? Did it touch it? It did not touch it. It's trying. It's trying. So Topstep's supposed to have a big announcement today. At 10:30 Eastern, I think, 9:30 Central, on Topstep TV. I don't know what's being announced. We'll have to send a scout over there to watch that when it pops. Morning, Chris. How are you? Yeah, I'm kind of expecting a slow and choppy morning. And so far, I mean, it's had a nice little rise, but very small candles, hard to trust. There's a pop. There's a new high day. I don't know. So I could have went long here, but at any point, and could have got 5 points, 10, even 10, depending on where. But it's just, it's hard to do that when it's just, kind of meandering. Morning, JC. How was the weekend? Wow, 18 people here this morning. They're all here on a slow Monday morning. Very slow. My weekend was pretty good. Caught up on some sleep. No news catalyst today, so no reason to get all worried about the 8:30 number coming up here. Well, since I started streaming, we have climbed about 20, 25 points. Just doesn't feel like it's climbed enough for Mr. G to get some profits. Excellent job, G. Yeah, there's a little pop. And I mean little. Well, more than a little, I guess. Always nice to get that first trade as a green trade. Yeah, G, but that's okay. Better than having it had going against you and losing out. I'm going to take the short here. Boom. I'm going to take it there. It's not much of a trade. It was 10 ticks, 5 contracts. There we go. I got a win to start the week. Appreciate that, G. Yeah, remember, folks, I would appreciate if you would gore that like button. Let people know you're enjoying the channel. Popping up a bit. Got down there. I did take the right, I got out the right place. I mean, obviously, I could have got out 2 points slower, but nice bounce on it. More bounce to the ounce. Quick drop coming right back out. MightyOxTrading after dark. And after light too. Join me for a special 9-hour long futures trading live stream. We are going to trade both the London and the New York Opens, 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving one of those wonderful Blue Sky Static Growth Plus Eval accounts. The entry form will be available for the entire length of the stream, so you don't have to be there at a certain time. You can just stop in, fill out the entry form, and leave again if you want. Winner will be announced at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So join me for this special 9-hour stream. We used to do these every month. Maybe we'll bring them back. We'll see how this one goes. Hope you'll join me for some or all of this long futures trading live stream. Yep, JC, it's a good start so far. I gotta get more reminders up. Maybe even a quick 15-second spot on the streams each day to get people interested and involved. But yeah, it was a nice little start. I'm hoping we can continue it. Chopping around that 20 EMA. Oh, you don't need this. You can come in at your normal time. Mental notes: sing happy birthday to Speed Racer on Friday. Question is, should I sing happy birthday or the Speed Racer theme song? Go, go, Speed Racer, go. hoping to get some sleep before that stream and Thursday evening. But I'll probably like not trade after the stream like I normally do, and I'll probably nap after the stream as well. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Hey, John, good morning. How are you? How was the weekend? How was the golfing? It's an interesting candle right there. Got up to 72. New high. Interesting volume spike there. You can see this volume spike. Here's our volume down here. I'm running my yellow cursor over. Now that out of the way volume there. The result in this candle is probably a good point. This, I'm sure, if Mr. G was trading, he would have taken that short. I don't know if he's here yet. Have not yet seen him say good morning. Awesome, John. Chip off the old block. Oh, youth. I've never golfed. I did go to a driving range once when I was about 20 with some golf loving friends. And I hit a few. Most sucked, but one hit like 320. But none of them were really straight. Yeah, markets. Yep. See that volume spike. This is what we talk about. I should have taken it. I was hemming and hawing just because we've been so slow. This volume spike, it didn't go any further. It was exhausted, and now this moved down here by about 8 to 10 points. Nice little bounce back up for 3 points. Not really a nice little bounce, but hey, maybe it'll go further. So, yeah, we've got a couple of nice moves on this slow Monday morning. No news catalyst, like I said. UK bank holiday. Nice job, John. Blue candle there. Kind of like it. Let's see what it does. Yeah, maybe not. Huh, interesting. The 1 minute chart tells me down. Yeah, I noticed that it bounced off 2300, John, and then just went. Oh, wow. I've just looked at it. It really went. So as you can see back here during Asia, it bounced off 23.6, 2300.6. Now look at it go. Quite the bounce. More bounce to the ounce. Why do I keep saying? I gotta stop saying that. It's bad. Morning, G-Man. How was your weekend? Coming back up. Slow grind back up. Well, the Giants still have a chance to win one today, G-Man. Yeah, they lost one to Anaheim on, I want to say Monday. No, Monday or Tuesday they lost to Anaheim. But I think they've won 23 out of their last 28. Or something like that. Yeah, they are. You know, but losing Turner hurts. Just hanging here around 18,062 right now. We have one win on the morning. Maybe he's created an OnlyFans account and wants to be a sugar daddy. Trying to decide whether it wants to come down here. Looks like the choppy. Again, why are we so choppy? No news catalysts. UK bank holiday. I don't know what holiday it is, but they're having a holiday. Take a holiday. Some time to celebrate. One day out of life. Little Madonna for you on this Monday morning. It did come down. Yeah, but it came down to 2 points. Yeah. Thing is he selling Apple to raise cash, or is he selling Apple because Apple is? I mean, I know Apple's doing the buybacks, but Apple doesn't really have anything exciting, at least from what I've been hearing, really coming. They haven't been that innovative lately, and they've been taking hits with regulation and having to open up their app store and things like that. Hello, Jeremy. My trading is still admittedly inconsistent, but I do have 2 funded accounts. Have not yet gotten to a payout, but I haven't blown them either. Working on some things still, but we're getting there. How have you been? Nice little pop there. And by nice, I mean all of 2 points. Ugh. I do not like this slow price action. I do not like it, Sam. I am. Top of the hour coming up in a minute. Yeah, I figured where our volume was going to be down today. I think there's no news catalyst tomorrow either, but at least it's not a UK bank holiday tomorrow. Yeah, no news catalyst tomorrow either. No Fed speakers during the stream either, at least not scheduled. Wednesday is a French holiday, but Wednesday we have crude oil inventories and U.S. wholesale inventories. Really not much news on Wednesday either. This is like a total calm week. This could be, someone might need to wake me up. Ooh, and as I'm looking at that, well, pop there 2 points. Nice. Good to hear that, Jeremy. Top of the hour. Still chopping. Hopefully the bell will give us something. Besides me yawning, sorry about that. Oh, cool. Do you have a link for that by chance, JC, when you have a moment? You can post it in the chat. You're a mod, so you can post links. Cool. mean, don't put yourself through any stress or anything if it's a problem. Just, if you liked it, I'm thinking other people would. Yeah. Yes, yes, you were, G-Man, and then you said one magic word that causes that to go away. Move down there. I missed it. Making G-Man a mod. Getting a little bit more movement here after the top of the hour. You should have a blue wrench again now, G-Man, but yeah, it's not, modding is just it's just a symbol. It's like we never have a reason to mod in here. I don't think we've banned anybody in like a year. And we're short. Doesn't want to drop. Hey, Ace, how are you? Doing good? I'm out of that trade. One tick, so pay for my commission. It might still drop, but it just, and oh, look at that. So I got out the right time. Nice pop. All right, no problem, JC. How was the weekend, Ace? Wait a minute. I thought you. Maybe I'm confused. I thought you weren't going to be here today, Ace. Then we're heading up. Crypticon, how are you doing? Morning, Hassan. How are you? Oh, wow. Snow. I saw that, right now we're getting 80 degrees, and I saw that by later this week, like Thursday and Friday, we're supposed to get down to the 40s. I'm doing good, Hassan. Thanks for asking. Usually in the morning after the coffee. Oh, wait. Sorry, I just couldn't say that was a perfect setup. I couldn't resist. Yeah, YM is leading, but everything's looking positive for now. Heading toward the bell. Ooh. So figures that purple candle goes. The last one I tried didn't. This one here didn't. That one worked. Hey, there's RJ. Hopefully that wasn't a euphemism, Ace. Wait, huh? Did we just start May? All right, Crypt. Have fun with the grass. I thought we were your trading partner, RJ. I'm hurt. Has it hit six figures yet, RJ? uh, how much beef are you getting for that wedding, RJ? I wonder why we're exporting less. Got your two, Ace? Beef keeps getting, my ground beef keeps getting more expensive here. 11 minutes till the bell. Yeah, I was looking at a home in China and decided to go to Cambodia instead. Ouch. Interesting to see if we come up or down at the open. Yeah, Florida still seems to be a hot commodity. I would not want to live in Florida. I can't stand the heat. What is a slews report? Oh, yeah. Yeah, there it is. I never heard of the slews report. uh, Senior Loan Officer Opinion Survey. Ah. Oh, yes, sleuzing? Oh. Just losing on a Sunday afternoon. Juice? Junior loan officers don't get an opinion. It's junior loan officers' opinions or whatever the senior loan officer opinions are. Wow, RJ, that's awesome. And the wall. All in all, it's just another candle against the wall. Little Pink Floyd parody. We are 3.5 minutes till the bell. Isn't the wall Pink Floyd? I might be mixing up my. Okay. Are you requesting Elton John? Oh. Candles in the wind. Ace is still recovering from his weekend, so he's a little slow. Two-minute warning from Ace. Oh, look at that little pop there. Yeah, I saw the Blue Jays are coming to Philly this week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Wow, it just burst up here right before the bell. Nice. New high day, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yes, new high day. Factories of Sadness would be a great name for a rock band. So this quick burst up here makes me think we're gonna come down to the bell like that. Whoosh! Down 14 points in the first 15 seconds. That's about 1 point a second. I knew you would, G-Man. Oh, there's a nice whoosh down. Oh, maybe a bounce there. I don't like that bounce there, though. Do not like it, Sam. I am. Nice job on the Prophet G, Mr. G. We got our G squared today, G-Man and Mr. G. Ow. Okay, I mean, yeah, but it's still green, but yeah, I can understand how that hurts. You just did, you wanted to make Ace feel better about just getting 2 points. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Yeah, I was gonna say, G, that's not like you. Usually, you're not one to, you know, do that kind of stuff. But I didn't want to make it sound like I was chastising. Look at that, another big word for Monday, chastising. I already forget the big word I used earlier. Well, greed and green are only one letter apart. Yep, you know it. That's what I do in my spare time. Still grinding up now. Up to 79. Got up to 78 over here. Be interested to see if we double top or continue up. There's 81. Little sideways here. Our ATR still sucks. Yep, there we go, breaking upwards. Breaking up is hard to do. Including breaking up there, also checking the That's trying to get 18,100. Not quite getting there. Can it? Can it? Can it? It's trying. It's trying. There it is. 18,100 claimed. Hassan, if you're still here, the answer is not yet on the dump. Short on that purple candle. Let's see what happens. for not going like I had hoped. Hoping for a quick first down, but not getting that yet. Maybe. To the victors go the spoils. Oh yeah, gold's up to 23.40 over there. There we go. That's the momentum I was looking for. Bouncing though. Target hit. Wow, there we go. Now that was good. I did not think I was going to stay in that trade. I kept fighting myself. I wanted to get out when it was chopping here, but I stayed in, read everything I was looking at, and said, "Yeah." And I got my 10 points. US dollar. Oh yeah, dollar big drop. Bitcoin's dropping too. This my enter candle is this purple candle right here. I have my yellow line on. My yellow cursor. Thank you, G-Man. Good morning, T.O. Popping back up. How are you today, T.O.? We're long off that blue candle. Pulls back. Back to my entry. We're going to get back that last trade, it looks like. Oh, it's trying to bounce. Maybe not. Look at that. Eh, nope. It gave me a chance to get back out and I didn't take it. Let's see, it might give me another chance. Hell, whoosh. You know what? I'm going to get out there. Ended up being a break-even trade. It doesn't seem to want to go, but it gave me a chance to get out, break even, and I'll take it. Now, of course, it'll go, but I'm not upset by getting out there. Honestly, I should have got out in that candle right there. Somebody once told me just don't lose money. So it's struggling here. So if it breaks out, I'm not worried about it. I'm out. which is why it continued to go up. So yeah, I mean it's still only going up 5 points from where I entered. Wait, why is 5184 a big round number? She's still struggling in the same area. Will we drop like it's hot? I mean, we're not even at 10 o'clock yet, and my ATR is under 5. I expected a slower day. Kind of saying it since we started. So going back down to a 5-point target at this point. It's curious of something though. Let's see. Yeah, and the thing is, now I didn't realize how slow it was at the time, but if I had a 5-point target on that entry earlier, I would have got it. I would have got my target. But I was going for 10 because 10's usually pretty good at 15 minutes after the bell. How's YM going for you, RJ? You and your secret trading buddy? And here it come down. Different 5 points there, G-Man. Nice, RJ. Well, honestly, G-Man, right now, are you still shooting for 5? Because it seems slow. Short. Ooh, that bounced. Ouch. Short at that and took the 5-point loss. Ouch. Let's see. I didn't move my stop. Stop should have been at the top of that candle. I didn't move it. Let's see if that ends up biting me. Trying to pop back up. Trying to pop up. Nice move up to 112. Pulls back. Took that trade on Topstep X. Got to 5 points from one contract. Also following to plan. Just should have taken it on both accounts. Short. TO, it's slow today. No news catalyst, and UK has a bank holiday, so I'm gonna get stopped out. So was a good day. Went from being up to being down. I don't know. I just know someone told me, someone I know in the UK told me it was a bank holiday today, and then I looked on Financial Juice and it said UK holiday. Oh wow! So the log's not working either. Hmm, I hate trading. Yeah, Russell's rising nicely. My strategy says when I back test, it works. I just didn't read the market well. That's all. I think I need to go back to like 5 and 10 minute time frames. I don't think my mind works fast enough to do anything lower than a 5 minute. This is the Blue Sky competition account, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, this was stupid. I did get chopped up and chopped. Well, how do you not get? I mean, that was a stupid phrase, chopped up and chop. How else can you get chopped up if you're not in chop? But anyway, last night I took my time to look back and I looked at this. And I won't even go back and show the results. Just, I'm looking at the green and the reds, and I'm just looking for blues and purples. And you can see blue there, purple there, purple there, with the green, the red, and the blue. Just matching those up work almost every time. So what do I do here? And that's what I got here. Beautiful green here, beautiful purple here, and I got this on Topstep X. I didn't get that on this account. Right here, as I'm speaking, look at this. Green, purple, green, purple. That's the only plays I should play. Look at this. Red, blue. And instead I'm here diddling in the middle and getting myself chopped up. When I tested this last night, I've been testing it, and it works on the bigger time frames as well. And yet I'm here. And that's what works on the bigger time frames that I've been looking at too. Look, here. Red, beautiful blue candle on crude, up. Red here on natural gas, of all things. Beautiful little blue candle. I don't know why that's a light blue there, but up. It this works, and I should just stick to it. Hassan, I'm not going to get naked. Not sure what's with you today, Hassan. First you're asking when I'm going to take a dump, and now you're telling me to get naked. RJ, wow. Maybe I need to start an OnlyFans. Oh. But I mean, G-Man, I understand what you're saying, but the two things I just pointed out that I would use if I was doing nothing else are also indicators. How you doing, Burl? By the way, Burl, whatever happened with that Uprofit live account? are you trading that? And did you ever find out if they're charging you data fees on that? Burl didn't know he was going to walk into an interview. Yes. Interesting. Please keep me up to date on that. I really would like to know what they do there. Yeah, I mean, I could remove everything I don't use for that strategy, which would be this, and that. Ooh, that. That kind of looks like a monster. Um, is anybody going to be checking out Topstep TV at 9:30 Central, 10:30 Eastern? I'm curious what their big announcement is, but I'm not going to try and listen while streaming. Thank you, Hassan. Blue candle out of those, out of the red. Let's see what it does. Prefer it when it's touching a band, honestly, but we'll see. Secondary blue candle, same spot. Blue and red. Red down here on the RSI, blue on a candle. And then green and red. No, it's blue and red. Yeah. Think cop cars and Christmas trees. I don't know. Boom. 4 hit. I have this set up for 4 for 5 points and 1 for 10 points. We're gonna move the stop up to break even for that last one. We hit 5. Yeah, the goal is always to move my stop if I hit 4. Honestly, I think if I did it for 100 days, I'll be doing very well money wise. Come on. Give it to me, baby. I can't see where I'm at. Doesn't seem to. We're just gonna let it go. See if it comes back down and takes me out in this last. If it did, so I cost myself 5 points on that one, but that's okay. So I also usually wait. This one's kind of iffy. I'm not used to seeing this without my EMAs, so this might take a little getting used to. But this one's a little iffy. I didn't take it. I usually like that the signal line gets above 80 and below 20, but it didn't here, and I still took it. So last week, John Burrow Investments, talked about doing a video about a day in the life of his setting up his of a gigging musician. Here's that link for anyone that might be interested. Let's see. Look at that. Purple candle. I could have got 5. So I just got to take them all now. Got to catch them all. See how easy that is? So easy a caveman could do it. Let it go, let it go. I'm now imagining G-Man singing Let It Go from Frozen. Yeah, I don't really like Topstep TV either. Believe it or not, that song is actually on my motivational playlist. Because it's a good song for motivation because I do have trouble letting things go at times. Fade myself? What do you mean, Hassan? I'm confused. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, see, the problem is that algo really isn't designed for this this strategy. I mean, it is if like this one, yes, that one it would have taken, but some of these like it wouldn't because it's not designed to take anything that's not above or below the signal line going in that direction. So well, it's not like I don't have enough eval accounts. I got a Topstep X. I got a funded futures network. I got a Phoenix Trader Funding or Phoenix, whatever Phoenix is. I got a Flexytrade. And for that matter, I also have a Blue Sky and a Blue Sky competition account. This is why I'm insane. But that said, it'll only be easy to show one on stream. supposed to be at 9:30 Central, 10:30 Eastern. It's probably gonna be something lame, but they're making a big deal out of it, so I like to stay on top of this stuff. Okay, so now we're slightly in green, but we're not getting a purple candle. We're short off that purple candle. Target hit. That was the first purple candle coming out of that green. Maybe I have been making this too hard all along. Yeah, I mean, I got it. I believe it's Topstep X too, but I mean, if they're announcing improvements to it. It shouldn't be that big of a deal because these are improvements that should have been part of it to begin with, most likely. Okay, stop me out on that last one. This is the second time I've cost myself 5 additional points by going for more. I Yeah, that's still weird, To. But at $4, yeah, To. But at $4.50 each, they're good. They're good ways to practice, test things out. Interesting area here. We had a red here, came up without any blue. Now it's like, What was it? Oh, it's not ready for the public release, in my opinion. Not the way it is now. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Sorry about that. Topstep X is their proprietary trading platform. That's actually a white label of something else, but it's their own platform and it has a data feed straight to the CME. It doesn't use Rhythmic or TradeDay. We're long off that blue candle. Yep. Stop out of that one. See, that was me. I was discombobulated. Let's see if it still works. But that was not either one of my strategies. This was me in the middle again, by the way. Yes. Yeah, they have the 10-1 on the Topstep X. No, it's not proprietary. We found the company that has that actually makes it. They're actually advertising that other prop firms can also order, and they'll sim to fund it. There you go. And stop that. Oh, excuse me 1 second. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised that no one else had. Well, maybe they had. Sim to fund it made it sound like they're letting Top Step test everything, and then they're going to open it up to others. Yeah. Excuse me 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm back. Yeah, price action is dragging. See, I also tell myself, when I look at this is my, the RSI I use. It's ultimate RSI, whatever. That if I'm hanging around this middle line here, I shouldn't take trades, which is exactly where we were when I started getting chopped up. I tell myself this. I know this stuff, and yet when I'm live, and it's not just live streaming, but other times too. It's like my brain just doesn't always remember things. Yeah, but like I said, this exact strategy really wasn't how the bot was coded. Now I'm going to have to say to him that, hey, we need to talk. Yeah, absolutely. It's its own platform, John. But it's based off of TradingView. It looks just like TradingView, but it doesn't have all the TradingView indicators and all that. And it's not actually TradingView. Well, here. Give me 1 second. No, John. This is Topstep X. Now, the worst thing about it is the ATM. You got to set up, like, for every trade how much you want to risk or not risk. But like if you put in 2 contracts on like $100 risk, then it's gonna like only go for like 10 ticks, etc. So you can't do any ATMs yet. So that's just stupid in my opinion. It has fast execution. It's hooked up right to the CME instead of through the other data providers. It has good commissions, but and it looks just like TradingView, but it only has the in-house TradingView indicators, none of the community indicators. Uh, and This is the performance stats. It's like hard to. I don't even like those. It's hard to see on this one because I just started trading this one, but and it's also hooked up to. You can hook in Topstep TV if you want. And up here it shows you your balance, your max loss limit, your uh, realized P&L, your unrealized P&L, and how much of your daily loss limit you used over here. And there is I don't have the DOM, but even DOM, they even have time and sales if you're a tape reader. I don't know a lot of people that read the tape in futures, honestly. Yes, it does have a built-in trade copier. That is, yeah, here. You select the lead account, then you select the backup accounts, etc. Yeah, they really should make an agreement with TradingView that if people pay for TradingView, they can hook up their Topstep X. I think it'll be better for both companies. Pulls back. I missed it. I was looking somewhere else. Yeah, let me give you the code and the link. Give me 1 second. Uh, and you might want to wait a while because their site just crashed. Uh, yeah, I think so, Hassan. That was a nice pullback there. I did not grab it. I was doing 10 things at once. 10 things at once? John, you can have up to you can have up to 4 funded accounts with Topstep, 3 live stand, 1 live. So think of 3 would be where I would start, and you get 1 put the live. Of course I do. So nice move down, and again, look, so we can see how why I've been gravitating toward this strategy. With this nice purple candle, we were green and down 106 all the way down to 88. I still need to work on getting the new store up, Ace. I believe, Ace, once I get the new store up, those hoodies will actually be $5 to $10 cheaper. And then you can finally get K-pop one. You didn't move to Canada, did you, Ace? Earn it? What kind of cruel and mean dad are you? No, I'm kidding. I know. I was just kidding there, Ace. Hardest 4 minutes of your day, Ace. But I just got another win on Topstep X. Took the long off that blue candle there. We have about 10 minutes to go in the stream. Sorry about my little rant earlier. Every now and then I get discombobulated. Pushing up. Oh, I just took. I got chopped up and got frustrated for a few minutes. Yep. Then he went 4 for 4 in his first game. 4 prospects given up for him. Surprising that a trade like that happened in the beginning of May. Still rising up here. Now you see we are in the green and our yellow line there, our signal line, has gotten above 80. So that means I'm now looking for those pullbacks. Our ATR is down to 3, but FYI, that just worked on Topstep X, that short there. Again, now I actually got the second candle there. Again, we were coming out of the green. This was the first one. It was almost the exact same entry with off by 2, but I missed that one. Got that one down for 5. The Top Step accounts, since we're almost done, with Top Step's up $200 today. But Tio, you didn't even give up any of your top 5 prospects. Number 6, 9, and 13. Popping back up a little bit. So you saw we got our red, but we didn't really get our blue candle until there. Seems a little late on it. Popping up. Pushing down. Oh crap. See, I a little bit distracted there. That was actually a trigger. Look at that. So look at this. Red, blue, 96, 100. Let's see if it gets 101 here quick before I go. Didn't quite so far. Have a great day, Hassan. No, did not get 5. Well, yet our HER is down to under 4, so at this point, maybe it's actually best to go for less. But we are done for the day. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. I'll be back here tonight. That's right, we have a stream tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time for 2 hours. And of course, back tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you then. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.